In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a Slack channel, and we'll keep it quick and simple to fit right into your busy schedule. Slack is a fantastic tool for managing team communication, but sometimes you'll need to remove someone from a channel, whether it's because their role has changed or they no longer require access. Let's walk through the process of doing just that. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Slack's website at slack.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right of the screen for the sign in option. If you're using Google as your sign in method, it's a breeze. Just click on sign in with Google to quickly access your account without having to re-enter your credentials. This seamless login process saves you time and gets you to where you need to be much faster. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Slack dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all the channels that you're part of on the left hand side. It's a great way to keep track of different conversations across your organization. Scroll through until you find the channel from which you need to remove a member. Selecting this channel will take you into the conversation space. Now that you are inside the channel, direct your attention to the top of the screen, just beneath the channel name. You'll notice a list of members for this channel. To see everyone involved, go ahead and click on the View All Members option. This step is crucial as it gives you an overview of all individuals who currently have access to the channel, making it easier to identify the member you wish to remove. Once the member list pops up, find the member you need to remove. Next to their name, you will notice a three-dot icon, which acts as a menu for more options related to that member. Clicking on this icon will present you with actionable options specifically related to channel management and member settings. From the menu that appears, locate and select the Remove from Channel option. Doing so will initiate the removal process. It's as simple as that. The member will no longer have access to the channel and its contents. Remember to communicate this change with your team and the member involved to ensure everyone is on the same page. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to remove a member from a Slack channel. It's a straightforward process that's important for maintaining organized and efficient communication within your workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks on managing your digital workspace.